How do we start the treatment? By wrapping the client's hair with a disposable towel and covering the neck to prevent any smudging. Apply the facial cleanser to the face and cleanse thoroughly in circular motions. Then employ the skin handle for deep cleansing. Glide the handle from the chin to the edge of the face, repeating until the area is covered. And then repeat on the other side. Clean the skin handle thoroughly with saline after each use. Apply the alanine cleansing mousse to the face and cleanse in circular motions. Why is secondary cleansing and toning necessary? This step helps remove dirt and cleanser residues, enhancing skin absorption for the subsequent steps. Tips: the mask application duration is crucial. It helps absorb impurities and nourish the skin, but prolonged application may cause adverse effects, potentially drawing nutrients out of the skin. How to introduce the serum into the skin using the skin handle. Apply the serum to the entire face. Glide the skin handle from the chin upward on one side, repeating until the area is fully covered. Repeat on the other side for the forehead. Glide the handle from the eyebrows towards the hairline. Follow with the SP handle to infuse the yeast oxygen solution into the skin. Spray from the chin upward in circular motions and cover the forehead in circles. Finish with a massage for enhanced absorption. How does the skin handle contribute to skin lifting? Apply the oil control milk to the entire face. Glide the skin handle from the chin upward on one side, repeating until the area is fully covered. Repeat on the other side for the forehead. Glide the handle from the eyebrows towards the hairline. End the treatment with the skin barrier fortification process. Apply the yeast oxygen solution to replenish moisture and refine skin texture. Follow with the oil control essence for deep repair and brightening. Finish with the oil control milk to lock in moisture and fortify the skin barrier.